But very importantly, when we did come to bring our protest letter, because of the way police has been treating our activities, not allowing us really to enjoy our rights as citizens and as leaders of this country, the same way everybody else, political actors, even illegal outfits, operate out there. And they invited us for a meeting. We could have said we shall not come, after all we've been observing the law, but because we are civil, because we are law-abiding, we said, okay, let's go to listen to them, but also to put it to them that they keep breaking the law in a manner so wanton. They treat us like we are outliers. They treat us like we are non-entities. And yet everybody else is out there having processions, having their activities undisrupted. So we came to put it to them. Of course, herein, they all looked very humble, very calm, very friendly. And we said, you guys, the same way you're acting very friendly here, how come when we meet you in the field, you are a different lot altogether? We want you to behave out there the same way you're behaving here with us in the boardroom, in a cordial manner, because there's nowhere we break the law. And we put it to them to show us where we break the law. It was a struggle for them to do so. But we are glad that this meeting has happened. And we have told them we have no problem to keep engaging. What's not going to stop is our activities. That one will not stop because our activities are within the law. We shall always notify them. We shall always, welcome them to engage with us, provide security and all of that, but that they should not infringe on our rights. That's the very important thing.
Of course, the issues really that we are raising today were largely about our activities. And one of the things they were talking about was notification, which we've always done, and we made it clear that we are willing to continue doing it. The only thing that we agreed on, that from today, when they receive our letters, they are going to be putting a stamp to show that our letters are duly received, because many times we've been notifying them, and then someone just scribbles on the letter without even indicating who has received that letter. And of course, generally, we raise the question of partisanship, and even actually showed them these pictures that you see here. These are part of the pictures that we left them with, copies. These are PLU people moving around, holding rallies and processions. We had copies of this. We had Liliana Bay in Kitugum. We had all these other political actors, Nyamutoro, Inebi, and others. So we are trying to tell them that you cannot say that NUP should only have town halls or meetings in enclosed venues, while all these individuals go on, as you can see, holding massive rallies and processions. The other day they were in Kasambia and all that. We wanted to be on record so that they are not setting standards for NUP that they are not setting for every other person. So that is why we called them out on what we call partisanship. We said if these rules are to be applied, they must be applied across the board, but also most importantly, they must be legal, not illegal orders.